like to show you now, we've kind of divided up what we need and what we don't need in our new space and what we're going to rebuild. So we take a look at all the stuff we've taken out of the space we're reorganizing. You notice stuff like this. Both of these were on the desktop. Now, how many mice do we need for one computer? One. So we can get rid of the other one. If we don't throw it away or give it away or sell it or whatever, at least put it in deep storage. It doesn't need to be taking up workspace on the top of the desk. So that's going to go towards the back. Try and divide this up as much as you can. We know this is going to come back in, so I'm going to take it and put it aside. The zip disks, nice good storage, quick easy backup, and very portable. But on the other hand, I know there's a bunch of 3.5s in here, and that's from like 1982, probably before some of the people who are watching this right now are born. So we don't really need the 3.5s anymore. We have the zips, we have DVDs, we have CDs. We can get rid of that stuff.